Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, SurveyManiac. So in today's tutorial, I will show you step by step on how to buy a Proxy on Telegram using a Proxy bot. And if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like and turn on the notification button. Alright, let's get started. So first of all, you have to download the Telegram app on your phone. So at the top of the app, search bar, you see search bar button. Then you search for this Proxy. Type this Proxy J4U Proxy J4U Proxy Bot. So you can see. So you click on start button. So you have to create an account with them, then you log in. So since I've already created an account, so it has already logged me in. So now you can see the actions below. You can see the new Proxy, my profile, my Proxy recharge, referral, and all that. So let's check out their prices. So these are their prices. So they have three different packages, which is golden package, silver package, and injection. So and they have a price for each duration. So we are going for 2 hours for golden package is 25 cents. So and you are going for 30 days is $14.5. Silver package for 30 days is $10. And the difference between the golden package and silver package is that for golden package you can switch between countries from US to Germany to Canada to UK. So it has those options. But for the silver package, it only has USA location, and you can only switch between states under USA. So that's just the difference. So if you work on USA survey, so you can just, instead of buying the golden package, you can go for the silver package. So it's still, they serve the same thing, just only the country difference. So after that, then you click on recharge. You have to recharge your account before you purchase a Proxy. So you have to recharge your account, and these are the payment options. So if you are using Binance, you click on Binance. If you are using any other cryptocurrency form of payment, you click this subscribe to up to. So yeah. After you make a deposit, then you click on this new Proxy. So once you click on the new Proxy, it will show you the type of package you want to buy. So I will select silver package since I really work with US, then United States. So you can see it has a 5G T-Mobile, 5G AT&T, and very soon 5G. So you can just select anyone. So it has different states. Yeah, it has different states. So you just pick any other state you want. So you can go for, let's say, New York. So you can see the rotations, the rotation timing. So if you want your Proxy to rotate in 30 minutes, so it will rotate within 30 minutes, within 45 minutes. So I always go for higher rotation time. So I can go for either 60, 45, or 30. So then you pick, you write your username and password. Let me write my username, SurveyManiac. So since I've already created an account before, so it won't allow me, but let me show you my details. So since I purchased a Proxy already, so this is how it will look like. So you can see this is my own Proxy, my Proxy list. I purchased one already, and this is my details. So you can see my deposit details. From I was given IP and port, I was given username and password, and it will expire in 6 days because I did stay on this package. So you understand. So once you're able to get your details here, then you have to copy them, and move to, then open your Vmos browser. So let me go to Chrome and open my Vmos platform. So this is my Vmos platform. So first thing, before you access the app, so you have to click on this small button at the top. Then you click this modify Proxy IP. This is where you set your IP. This is where you set your IP before you access the main app. So if you not set the IP here, it will work, but it will just be a random IP VPN on the app. So it won't give you the exact location you want to use. So then you select the Proxy type, source 5, Proxy method, Proxy, then the Proxy name, just write any random name. So this is where you put your server address. For example, let me copy. So this is the server address. So let me copy this. So that's the server address. You input the server address here. So the server port is, you can see the server port is 7101. So then the account, that's your username, which is SurveyManiac. You can see my username is SurveyManiac, and the password is SurveyManiac1. So you can see SurveyManiac, and password SurveyManiac1. Let me add one here. Then you click on network detection. Okay, let me write the proxy name, just write anything random. So you can see detect my network. So you can see it has detected my network as New York, place of origin New York, and my IP address. So this is how you connect your proxy on Vmos. So you understand? So you click save. So you open your Vmos cloud. So you open your Vmos cloud. So first thing I always do is to check my IP. So I will have to make sure my IP is corresponding with the proxy I bought. So you can see Los Angeles. You can see. Sorry, let me. So you can see everything is 100% perfect. 100% perfect. So you can see my proxy, everything. T-Mobile USA, 100% perfect. So once you connect the IP and it's showing connected, so then you can open any survey app on the Vmos app. You can do any survey. So you can see. So let me check the. So you can see from here to same to 100%, no trees, 99 risk. So you can see the quality score of my IP. So you can see. So this IP will change at 30-minute intervals because I selected the 30-minute rotation. So every 30 minutes it will change. So you understand. So you can see T-Mobile. You can see my trust score. VPN is 0, proxy score is 0, treaty score is 4, trust score is 99. So you are good to go. So after you checking your IP, then you can decide to work on any survey app. Any survey app. So if you're having slow connection or when the IP is if the browser is not going, then you can also change your IP again to another location. So you won't have any problem with that. So that's just it. And if you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe, share, and turn on the notification button. Thank you.